for you to please tell our audience what the difference is between hardwood flooring and engineered flooring.
Okay, well, hardwood, the traditional hardwood's 3/4 of an inch thick, nailed down, and the engineered is a thinner, laminated layers of wood, and we use it in special applications like lower levels, like on a concrete slab, or say in a house where there's some clearance problems. You may not have enough clearance to raise your floor 3/4 of an inch. We might use it for something like that. And then there are some subfloors that you can't nail to, so those are the main reasons that we use it. But then there's some looks that are available that people want that particular look, and so we would use it for something like that.
And how do you actually install the engineered flooring differently from regular hardwoods?
Well, we usually glue it down. That way you have less movement. You don't have to worry about expansion and contraction as much. And then, of course, the 3/4 inch wood we nail down.
Okay. And how are they different from the laminate flooring?
Well, laminate flooring is not actually a wood. It's made from high pressure, it's basically like a paper product. And it's under high pressure, and then it has a finish on the top. And it's very durable. You can't scratch it as easily as hardwood.
Is that one of the main reasons why people like laminate flooring in addition to budget, I would assume?
Yeah, it's great for kids and dogs. You're not going to damage it as easily as you would either engineered or nailed down wood.
What is the other advantage to the laminate floor?
Floating it. It doesn't have to be attached to the floor. It works out well in some of those areas where you don't have an approved subfloor to nail down a wood floor.
Okay. Are there any disadvantages to having laminate floors?
Well, you wouldn't want to use it over a real uneven surface, but otherwise it's a good product to use.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You're welcome.